can't recover. So if we keep harvesting, if we take out 2 fish, we're going to get 2 plus or minus the square root of 2. And so we're going to get answers like this. And then we change colors. It's pretty. So this might be something like H is 2. And if I take out 3 fish, if I start harvesting 3 fish, if I harvest 3 fish, well then what am I going to get? Then these are going to be b for square root of 2. Then I'm going to have 4 minus 3 is going to be 1, square root of 1. So I mean, now look, if I take out even more fish, I run out of colors. My parabola has even shrunk more. There's H is 3. What happens to my solution now? If this was H is, purple was H is 1. One fish, and this blue, we'll just draw it like this. This would be for H is 3. What happens? Look at how tiny, how fragile your system becomes. So now, if our fish population drops too far, maybe it drops down to here, it's going to tank. It can't survive. If it gets above, it'll come back down to a steady state. But otherwise, it's just stuck in this little tiny band. And it can't recover very much. Okay? What happens if we take out 4? It's what? It's done. Yeah, if we take out 4 fish, our parabola has now sunk to here. So what does our parabola do? It's steady, only at 2, but all of our solutions are what? They're decreasing. And so now we have no fish. And so you can see that if you just track the derivative, you can see how the solution is just brought into tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter and smaller. Any questions on that? Oh wait, one more thing. And we're going to solve these in our second half of class. Where's the thing? I don't remember. That's not that important. Oh, I remember. It's a kind of a simple equation, but it actually is pretty accurate. And it was funny, the first time I got to teach differential equations a few years back, this was when Starbucks still had newspapers, so you'd be sitting there waiting for your coffee and you could read the newspaper. And there was a cover article on the New York Times. I should have bought it, or I think I took a picture, but then my phone got stolen. I don't have the picture. Of course, I never remember to back things up. But it was an article about the fish population in China. And then they showed just like what you'd expect out of a movie, that those beautiful seas with all the big mountains that rise right out of the sea in China. But for years and years, the people have been fishing and fishing. But recently, they've been taking more and more. And now the problem was that the fishermen were saying what? They were saying there was no fish left to take. Occasionally they'd find some, so they said, oh, there's fish in the sea. But as a whole, the fishing villages were closing up. And what had happened, it was exactly what the equation had predicted. They had harvested and harvested and harvested, and finally they had over-harvested, and what happens to the fish population? It begins to die off, sure. There were still a few out there, they were making it, but there wasn't going to be very many. So it was amazing, and the way the article described it, it looked just like that. So all right, let's take a 10-minute break, and when you get back, we'll solve these.